In this video, I'll demonstrate how to take attendance in Zoom sessions when teaching remotely. So you go to your account on Zoom. So in this case, we'll go to cairn.zoom.us or whatever your account is. If you have a personal account with Zoom, you just go to zoom.us. And then once you get to your account, you need to click here on Reports. After you click on Reports, you click on Usage, and then here you have the list of meetings that you have conducted. So let's say that we met here for BIB 203, and we want to see who attended this meeting. Notice we have how long the meeting was and how many participants. Click here on the number of participants on the right-hand side, and then you'll be able to see all the attendees that attended the meeting, when they joined the time, and also how long they were in the meeting. And notice you also have the duration of how long they attended your meeting as well. From here, you could export this data. So you could say export the meeting data, and then choose export, and then you could export this into Excel. So if we click here under export, you could give it a meaningful name. If you'd prefer, press save, and then open this data in Excel.